Do you know about Barman backup? I think not much. Let me tell you. Before we dive deep, let me ask you something. What would you do if your production PostgreSQL database crashes right now? Could you recover it instantly? Do you have point-in-time recovery? If you're scratching your head, then you absolutely need to understand Barman. Today, we are going to walk through the entire ecosystem together. I'm going to show you live configurations, actual WAL files, and the complete architecture of how data travels between servers. By the end, you'll be a Barman expert. Let's go. Let me show you what Barman actually is. Barman stands for Backup and Recovery Manager. It's a powerful Python tool that acts like a professional DBA on your team who never sleeps. Think of it this way. Barman runs on a dedicated backup server and continuously captures full database backups from your PostgreSQL server. It archives WAL files, the transaction logs that record every change, and enables point-in-time recovery. This lets you restore to any second before disaster struck. It's obsessed with reliability, automation, and data safety. Let me tell you the scenarios where Barman saves your life. I've seen companies lose millions because they didn't have proper backups. Imagine your disk dies at 3 a.m. or a DBA accidentally deletes a whole table. Barman can restore to just 2 minutes before that disaster. It also handles data corruption and centralized management for multiple servers as your infrastructure grows. And with your redundancy, you keep backups in different data centers. With Barman, you can finally sleep peacefully. Now let's understand the architecture, how data flows between servers. Imagine your infrastructure with three main parts: your production database, the Barman backup manager, and the permanent storage archive. Data flows constantly from PostgreSQL to Barman, then to storage. Barman acts as the intelligent middleman, processing and organizing everything. It connects via SSH and uses replication slots to ensure a steady stream of transaction data without any loss. Let me show you the two powerful tools that make Barman work: PG_base backup and PG_receive_val. PG_base backup is how Barman takes a complete snapshot. It connects via replication protocol and copies the entire data directory. PG_receive_val runs continuously, streaming transaction logs like a tape recorder that never stops recording. Together, they are the foundation of disaster recovery. One gives you the start, the other records every transaction after that. Now let me show you the most important part: WAL files. These are your time machine. WAL stands for write ahead logging. PostgreSQL writes every change to these files before applying it to the database itself. Each 16 megabyte file is a transaction journal named with a specific sequence, like these 24-character hex codes. By archiving these continuously, Barman makes it possible to recover to any specific minute or second, like to 47 p.m. yesterday. Let me show you how Barman is configured. It's surprisingly simple. Barman uses a configuration file to know which servers to back up. Each server gets its own section with host and port details. You define your replication credentials, storage paths, and how long to keep backups, your retention policy. Then, it's all automatic. Now let me show you how to work with Barman on a daily basis. As a DBA, you'll use clean commands to check status, take manual backups, and list available recovery points. No complex scripts needed. Just straightforward operations that keep your system running and your data protected 24/7. Let me draw you the complete architecture, how everything connects and data flows. PostgreSQL generates WAL files, Barman pulls snapshots via SSH, and everything is compressed and stored securely on the backup server. This all happens automatically with zero downtime to your production system. Recovery is just one command away. See you soon. Meanwhile, keep scrolling and keep learning with Humorous Dragon.